Oh, yeah, we're learning something today. Okay, so the past couple days, I've been dealing with something that I've dealt with before. A major stressor came up, and I've been there before, which is fortunate and unfortunate. It's fortunate because once you've been somewhere and you've experienced it, then you learn how to deal with it and fix it for the future. And it's unfortunate because I wish I never had to be in this position, but it's learning. I'm growing from it. So this thing happened, it came up, and it's very stressful. And I know from past experiences, it doesn't help to stress about it or to worry about it, but it was just going off in my head like, you have to fix this, you have to fix this, you have to fix this. Rant, rant, rant. It's like a siren. And I knew I had to fix it, but I didn't know how. So, what I'm learning is how to find a solution to something. You don't focus on the problem, you focus on the solution. And you don't really necessarily focus on how to figure it out yet. You say, okay, I need to figure this out. Here's why I need to figure it out. And the how sort of comes together. So I knew that I had this stress that I had to deal with, and I knew that it was very important that I deal with it, or it would throw a lot of things out of alignment for me. And suddenly it clicked. I said, oh, I know what I can do. And I started doing it, and my problem has been starting to solve itself. And it was good, all because I found a solution. So that's the life lesson. That's what I've been experiencing the past few days is you don't focus on the problem. The problem causes you to stress and worry, but the solution is what gives you hope. The solution is what gives you an answer. Even if it's not necessarily the correct answer, it's an answer. And sometimes that's all you need. In this case, I just needed an answer. And for the first day, day and a half, 2 days, it was slow. It wasn't giving me an immediate result. But I knew that if I hung in there, then it would come together. And the more time that passes, the more momentum I gain, and the more my problem is solved. And then I have to take this as another lesson, as a way to solve my problem in the future, or B, more motivation to never get in this position again. Find a solution.